Today I would like to update a video about iOS 16 beta 3. Some of you encounter that Apple include the clownfish in the collection menu when you go ahead and change the wallpaper, but some don't. Some don't get it. Like I have here, I don't have clownfish, but that's why I make this video on how to get clownfish wallpaper for any iPhone, any version. Let's put this away, and now I'm gonna pick up my iPhone 13 mini. I got this amazing group in Telegram. He make like a ton of beautiful wallpaper, and this is a clownfish wallpaper. You can see it in a good quality. The image is about 1 megabyte. If you want to get it, you can click on the link in my video description, and then it will bring you into here. What you're gonna do is to scroll up a bit, join the group, and then you can save it into your iPhone. Save it into your camera roll, and then go back into your camera roll and set it as a wallpaper. It is as simple as that. Even though it is a still wallpaper, it better get it rather than not. And you can see here it is a clownfish wallpaper for your iPhone, any iOS version. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick update. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.